Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video we are making kids brightening lotion, and this is also a requested video, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this video because this lotion is very good and it is so nice. You're going to love the recipe. Please kindly watch this video to the end, like to the end please. My watch hour is very low and I am not encouraged, in fact I am not proud of it. Please, that's because you people don't watch my videos for long. You watch for few minutes. Please, I really appreciate if you can watch those videos to the end. Thank you. To get started, I'll place a clean beaker on my scale to weigh out my oil-based ingredients. The first ingredient I'll be adding to my beaker is my cooking butter. Cooking butter is a very moisturizing butter. It is soft and it's easily absorbed into the skin. It has a lot of benefits on the skin as well. I use 35 grams of my cooking butter. Then I will add in some shea butter. Shea butter is king of all butters. It's very good. It has a lot of benefits on the skin and you will love shea butter in your recipe if you use shea butter. So then I will add in some cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol is my emulsifier. I use 15 grams of my cetyl alcohol. Then I'll add in some lotion pro. Lotion Pro is also my emulsifier together with the cetyl alcohol that helps to bind our oils and water together. Then I will add in some carrot oil. Carrot oil is a very beautiful oil on the skin. It helps to naturally brighten your skin and even your skin tone and give you that glowing beautiful skin. Then I added in some sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is a lightweight oil that is good as well. So here are my oil-based ingredients. For my water phase, I'll place another beaker on my scale. Then I will add in some EDTA into my beaker. EDTA helps to stabilize our product for a long period of time. Then I will add in some allantoin powder. Allantoin helps with soothing the skin. It's an anti-irritation powder that is good. Then I added in my glycerin. Glycerin is an humectant that helps to retain moisture into the skin and helps to moisturize the skin. Then I will add in my distilled water. So distilled water is the best water you can use in your formulation, guys. Please always use distilled water. So here are my oil-based ingredients. I will stir that together. Then I'm going to take my oil phase and my water phase to my double boiler to heat the two phases up to about 70 degrees Celsius. Then I'll bring it down from my heat. Here are my oil phase and my water phase. It is fully heated and fully dissolved. The next thing I'll do is I'll pour my oil phase into my water phase, and then I'll still blend together with my hand blender to make sure it is well combined together, so to give us an emulsion. This process of an emulsion is you mix at interval until your emulsion is thick and you have a thick base cream. So you just mix for some time, you allow it to cool down, and then you mix again. But before that, before it is taken up, I want to add in some mica color into my emulsion. I will add in my desired amount of my mica color, and then I'll still blend together again until my emulsion is thick. So I want to talk about the ingredient that I use in this lotion. All of the ingredients that I use together in this lotion are super good ingredients for children's skin. Like, it's very good on their skin. It's going to help to moisturize, help to even the skin tone, helps to glow their skin. It's just a very lovely cream. All of the ingredients that I use are so lovely, and I have tried this recipe severally and it's always given excellent results, so you can trust this recipe. So here is our base cream. It is sticking up. The next thing I will do is I'll place this on my scale to add in the rest of my cooldown. For my cool down, the first ingredient I will add is my colloidal oat extract. Colloidal oat extract helps to bind your skin and lock in moisture. It softens the skin and it soothes itching. It's very good for people with dry skin. Then I will add in some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is my antioxidant in this lotion. And then I added in some diamethicone. Diamethicone has an effective moisturizing benefit on the skin. It helps to provide long-lasting smoothing benefits to the skin. It helps with skin condition like eczema as well. So diamethicone is excellent in this recipe. Then I added in my Charma Plus preservative, and now I added in my chamomile essential oil. I am not using fragrance oil in this recipe, and that's because I don't have fragrance oil available to me right now. So I use my essential oil in place of my fragrance oil, and I'm going to stir all of my cool down ingredients into my lotion. And now I will stick blend together again just to make sure all the ingredients are well combined together. So this lotion, I know as Nigerian, I have a lot of Nigerian viewers that watch me. So this lotion can be used by all children, like all children, whether your kids is light skin or dark skin, because some people be like, with this lotion not darken a child because we did not use any active in this. This is very good for any children of all skin tone. So far you've not used anything that compromise their skin for them. If their skin is naturally light skin, your baby skin will remain naturally light skin even with this lotion, so it is very good. The next thing I did was I checked the pH of my lotion, and now I have about pH 3, so which is very low. I am going to raise the pH of this lotion to a pH 5, and I'll be using some triethanolamine to raise the pH of my lotion. I'll be adding few drops of my triethanolamine into my lotion, and I'll stir properly together to combine. So I leave this lotion for some time, then I come back again to check the pH. I dip in my pH strip into my lotion and I check the pH again, and now the pH of my lotion is right on pH 5, which is perfect. And we've made a beautiful brightening body lotion that is good for all kids of all skin tone. Yeah, it's very, very lovely. Then I will pour my lotion into a clean and well sanitized bottle, and our lotion is ready. If you have watched this video to this point, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me if you are not subscribed to my channel. And to my returning viewers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye bye.